So, by changing Peirce's technical semiotic terms into more designer-centric terms, we can begin to apply Semiosis's determination flow into our creative ideation processes. Now, Peirce uses the word object, which is the concept we as designers and illustrators start answering a brief from. How the brief's concept is represented dictates how its representation is then interpreted by our target audience. The concept that we designers and illustrators need to communicate needs to be defined, and then the decision how we choose to represent that concept to our target audience leads to its interpretation by them. Now, that interpretation should put in the mind of the audience the concept we communicated. By thinking in this determination flow, we can enhance and improve our